Hello, guys. Welcome to a series on everything Excel. In this episode, we're going to be looking at how to use the if function in Excel. Without taking much of your time, let's get right into the video. The if function lets you to make decision in your spreadsheet based on a condition. Now, in this video, I will be showing us how to use the normal method and how to use the shortcut method. Let's get right into it. We have the names and we have the marks obtained. Now to grade them, if they have a pass or they have a fail, we're going to be using first method, which is the traditional method. Come to this part, come to your editing, click on the more option, click on if, and click on OK. Then your logical test, which is B3, which is the cell you want to use, B3, is greater than, let's use 50%. If it's true, it will be pass, and if it's false, it will be fail. Okay. Now that's how to use the normal method. Now for the shortcuts key, just use equals to if, open brackets, B3, sorry, you're using B4 is greater than 50, use your comma, pass, another comma, fail, and then you close brackets, click enter. That's how to use the shortcut key. Now if we want to extend this result, instead of having to input them, do this process one by one, and just drag it down. Voila, that is it. And now that is how to use the if function in Excel. Now we've come to the end of this video. I hope it was insightful. For more tips like this, join us on our next episode next time. Bye.